Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we've got a lot to talk about. We've got a 3-day sale, we've got some freebies, we have overages, and I have a few updates to share with you all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now I do want to remind everybody that today is the last day of our Dollar General clearance event, at least the part that includes the clearance section and the POG clearance items and those wonderful hidden clearance items that we all love to find. So today is the last day. I uploaded a bunch of videos for you all last week, so if you missed anything, make sure that you go and check them out. You have one more day to get in on these deals. Now also, starting today, we have a 3-day sale. So this is going to start today on October the 1st and run through Tuesday, October the 3rd. Now, I don't know why Dollar General is so clearance event and sale happy right now, but if you guys have any ideas, please let me know down in the comment section below. I even Googled Dollar General going out of business sale the other day because I'm just like, what is going on with DG right now? All of these sales on top of each other, it's just absolute craziness. So anyways, with this 3-day sale, we have several categories that are buy one get one half off. So here's a quick rundown of all of our buy one get one half off categories. We have the Good Cook Bakeware. We also have the Good Cook Cookware. All right, next up we have the Comfort Bay Bath Rugs or Runners. Buy one get one half off. We also have the sheet sets. Buy one get one half off. Now hopefully everybody got in on that glitch from the other day and just paid 2 pennies for their sheet sets. Now we also have dinnerware. Buy one get one half off. We also have the True Living jar candles, 18 ounce. These are normally $6 each. We also have the baskets. Buy one get one half off, normally $5 to $22 each. And then we also have our 18-gallon storage totes. These are normally $9.50 each. Now, we're going to talk more on these sales here in just a few minutes, so make sure that y'all stay tuned. Next up, also included in this 3-day sale, we have the Brawny 2-count paper towels. These are priced at $5 each. We do have a buy one get one free digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $5 for 2. Now, I have already tried this deal out in store this morning. If you pull it up in your app or if you scan the product, the coupon is not showing up as attaching. However, once you get up to the register, it does come off. All right, also included in this 3-day sale, we have the Pace salsas. These are buy one, get one free. And then we also have the Old El Paso taco kits. These are on sale for $3. All right, next up, we have the Mars Halloween bags of candy, as well as the Reese's pumpkins. These are on sale, buy 2, get 1 for free. Then we also have the Tootsie Roll Child's Play big bags of candy, buy one, get one half off. And the Skittles are on sale, 2 for $5. All right, now, moving on, I also wanted to remind everybody that what I have been calling our sales event will end this Thursday on October the 5th. So we do have a lot of buy one, get one free sales. We have the home sales event, bedding sales event. We also have harvest items, all on sale, buy one, get one for free. Also, we have Blue Dot and Yellow Star toys, buy one, get one 75% off. And then while I was in the store this morning, I noticed that I obviously missed out on one. So we also have Halloween apparel, sleepwear, and socks on sale right now. Buy one, get one free. And all of those buy one, get one free sales will end on Thursday, October the 5th. Now, with all of these sales going on, I do want to kind of warn everybody, because a lot of these items are falling under both the buy one, get one free sale and the buy one, get one half off sale. Now, we know with Dollar General, that can be a good thing or it could be a bad thing. We could get a really awesome glitch like we did the other day with our Comfort Bay sheets and our green dot pillows. Or it could be a bad thing and they could just be ringing up incorrectly. So when you are at the register, pay attention and make sure that you are paying the price that you expect to pay. If it's not what you expect, always void the transaction and try again. Now, since I've already mentioned it, I do want to give you guys a quick update on our run glitch deals from yesterday and the day before. So as far as the Comfort Bay items and the sheet sets, that is a dead deal. It's no longer working. I tried it again this morning. I actually found 2 of the sheet sets this morning and it did not ring up for 2 pennies. So that's a dead deal. Now, I do believe that the green dot pillows, those are still showing up the buy one get one free sale, and they're already super cheap with this clearance event. So if it is still working, today might be the last day that y'all can get in on this glitch if it has anything to do with the clearance event, because today is the last day of the clearance event. Now, again, I did not find any green dot pillows at my store this morning. However, I do have a few UPC codes, and I typed those in. And again, they're still showing up the clearance price with that buy one get one free sale. So if anybody has tried that lately, please let us know when was the last time you tried it and did it work out for you. Now, also keep in mind that, again, we have a lot of sales that are overlapping. Now, I have already tried out a few things this morning, but it is very possible that we may have some run glitches pop up. So make sure that y'all stay tuned and turn on those notifications. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at some freebies. This one popped up on our account this morning. We did receive a new 4-off-1 digital coupon for the Wick warmers. These are priced at $4. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. But be aware, on some accounts, you may have a lower value coupon for $1.80 off of one. And usually those lower value coupons will come off first. All right, next up, here's another deal that I tried out for us this morning. For this glitch, you want to pick up one of the Wick Vibrant 2-count oil refills. They're priced at $7. And then you want to pick up one of the Wick scented oil warmer starter kits for $6.25. You want to ring up the Vibrant one for $7 first, and then ring up the one priced at $6.25. We do have a buy one get one free digital coupon, and if you ring them up in that order, it is going to take $7 off. So you're going to pay $6.25 for 2. Now, I know some of you guys are like, wait a second, that's not even really a glitch, but in fact it is with the Dollar General system, because typically with a buy one get one free sale or a coupon, it is going to take off the lower priced item. But if you ring them up in that order, it is actually going to take off the full $7. So it's going to take off the higher priced item first, leaving you with a better deal. And last but certainly not least, we did receive a new 4-off-1 digital coupon for the Always Discreet products. This coupon is glitching and working only 26 count Always Discreet liners at $3.25. So if you are at a new register, that is going to make the item completely free. If you're at an old register, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 75 cents in overage. So this week is definitely starting off on a good note. I think we have a lot of really awesome deals to look forward to. And again, don't forget that today is the last day of the Dollar General clearance event. So let me know, how did it go for you down in the comment section below? And if you would like to send in pictures, I would absolutely love to see your hauls. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. But before you all go, you know the drill. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.